Ochankri okumeku akata chemie kayo wabi light tofiku aminu alhamdulillah. My people, all this one all the vegetation, consternation and angrination where the pastor Aladura prophet them they pour way for all the head of the people where they shop money for this corona matter. They say they don't suppose they shop the money, say the money meant for to help the people to fight corona matter. Even if you don't finish one of Buhari minister where name na Ramatu come out say oh go and corona go kill anybody where they shop corona money and the matter to take help corona. Say oh go kill their family and the family their family. Say corona and Ogu go kill them. Be by people. Now because of this, Nigerian breweries, one of the leading company for Nigeria, can give Nigeria 600 million naira to take fight corona matter. My people, the cost can increase when they hear say Nigerian brewery give this money but because of this, Nigerian brewery can explain to federal government how we go use this money. Make people notice say this donation na audio donation. Inside their letter where they write to Nigeria through the corporate affairs oga where her name na Shade Morgan, through the office of our oga where he signed the letter where name na Burud Bell for Nigerian breweries. Bring the letter to the office of Boss Mustafa and the oga them where they for Nigerian Center for Disease Control. Say abeg, see how una go use this money. Make people no think say na audio money. He say mona take 250 million naira cash. Make una give federal government make they take fight corona matter. Then another 250 million naira mona give them to state to take fight with their tax force. They can't give Lagos and Ogun State 100 million naira to take fight corona matter. E no finish for there inside the money. They can give 5 states inside where be Kaduna, Oyo, Enugu, Abia and Imo State. They can give them 20 million naira each. Say make una take fight corona matter. E no finish for there Nigerian breweries can still give material to take help fight corona matter with what 100 million naira. Say make una take the relief on herself. They can give 5 new Ogbonge buses to the isolation centers where they are across the country, where they for Abuja, Lagos, Ogun and Kaduna. E no finish for there. They can talk say they go to give them fuel to take help them they work, and even the driver themselves say from today they are alawi and Nigerian breweries go to pay. The thing no finish for there. They can say they will give personal things to take help like face masks, and they will give 500 gowns and 141,000 hand sanitizer to all the states to take work to fight corona. The one we can sweet me pass. They can talk say they go to give malt and soft drink and energy drink to all the centers where they help treat and fight corona matter. That company where they call multi-choice when they get DSTV and GoTV don't come out to support federal government with 1.2 billion naira to take fight corona matter for this Nigeria. The oga patapata for multi-choice where he name na Mr. Adewumi Ogunsayasan don't talk say because they no want make people to say na audio donation explain how the money go. Say they don't put down 550 million for public matter to take tackle koro as they don't bring Wazobia language and pidgin language to make sure say everybody understand how to take keep body away from this koro. E no finish for there. They can explain say inside that money they don't come up 400 million to take give producers, actors and all technical workers where they work with them make sure say they enjoy their work because they know say this koro season it no go too easy for them like that. E no finish for there. They can say inside the money they don't come up 250 million to give federal government and Lagos state to take fight koro matter make their muzzle they increase the more. E no finish for there. One of the oga for multi-choice when I the champion Nigerian matter when name na John Ude he don't talk say they don't bring out 10,000 original test kit and they don't give them to Nigeria Center for Disease Control make they take the fight koro because they no want you say koro they defeat us. E no finish for there. They still talk say they go make sure say they go to create awareness of koro for their station will be like 10 station for DSTV and GoTV make everybody understand how koro matter they go. My people for DSTV, multi-choice and Nigerian breweries and other people who don't contribute towards the fight for this koro matter make we give 3 bossa for them. Bossa, bossa, bossa. This na Pidgin News Network. Now man on the street be this.